Tips to stop people pleasing. Fortunately, there are some steps that you can take to stop being a people pleaser and learn how to balance your desire to make others happy without sacrificing your own. Establish boundaries. It's important to know your limits, establish clear boundaries, and then communicate those limits. Be clear and specific about what you're willing to take on. If it seems like someone is asking for too much, let them know that it's over the bounds of what you are willing to do and that you won't be able to help. There are also other ways to create boundaries in your life to help rein in your people-pleasing tendencies. For example, you might only take phone calls at certain times to set limits on when you are able to talk. You might also explain that you are only available for a specific period of time. This can be helpful because it ensures that you have control of not only what you are willing to do, but also when you are willing to do it. Start small. It can be hard to make a sudden change, so it is often easier to begin by asserting yourself in small ways. Changing behavioral patterns can be difficult. In many cases, you not only have to retrain yourself, but you also have to work on teaching the people around you to understand your limits. Because of this, it can be helpful to start with small steps that help you work your way to being less of a people pleaser. Start by saying no to smaller requests, try expressing your opinion about something small, or ask for something that you need. For example, try saying no to a text request. Then work your way up to telling people no in person. Practice in different settings or situations, such as when talking to salespeople, ordering at a restaurant, or even when dealing with coworkers. Every time you take a small step away from people-pleasing, you'll gain greater confidence that will help you take back control of your life. Set goals and priorities. Consider where you want to spend your time. Who do you want to help? What goals are you trying to accomplish? Knowing your priorities can help you determine whether or not you have the time and energy to devote to something. If something is sapping your energy or taking too much of your time, take steps to address the problem. As you practice setting those boundaries and saying no to things you don't really want to do, you'll find that you have more time to devote to the things that are really important to you. Try positive self-talk. If you start to feel overwhelmed or tempted to cave, build up your resolve with positive self-talk. Remind yourself that you deserve to have time for yourself. Your goals are important, and you shouldn't feel obligated to give away your time and energy on things that don't bring you joy.